Hello, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Open House. On this episode, we're going to do things a little bit differently. We're going to answer some of your viewer submitted questions. I'm your host, Sarah Pinnell, and this is Open House. Welcome, everybody. As I mentioned earlier, on this episode of Open House, we're going to be answering some of your viewer submitted questions. So let's get started. The first question submitted today was, how do I link my contacts from my phone into my Instagram account? Well, there's a really easy way to link up all of your contacts and connections, both from your Facebook account and your phone contacts list. So to do that, we're going to head into our Instagram app. You're going to toggle over to your profile by clicking on the little profile icon image in the bottom right-hand corner. From there, we're going to click on the three horizontal bars in the upper right-hand corner. And at the very bottom, you should see a button called Discover People. Once you click on that button, you should see options for connecting to your Facebook account as well as connecting via your contact list. Once you click on either of those options, you'll go through the screen prompted instructions, and that's how you can link all of your contacts and connections, both from your phone contact list and your Facebook page. On to the next question. Do I need a business page for both Facebook and Instagram? And if so, do I have to create new pages? So this question is really a two-parter. To answer the first part of this question, yes, you do need a business account for Facebook, especially if you post anything business related on your personal account, you will get shut down. And once your Facebook page gets shut down, there goes all of your marketing and ad tactics. So what we highly recommend is creating a Facebook business page. Now, you do have to create a Facebook business page separate from your Facebook personal page. Instagram, however, is a different story. While Instagram doesn't require you to set up a business page, we also highly recommend setting up an Instagram business page because you have access to more algorithms, more insights, as well as analytics, so you can see just how well your posts are doing. With an Instagram business page, you don't have to create a new page entirely. You can transform your personal page into a business account very easily. All you have to do is head over to Settings under the top three horizontal bars in the upper right-hand corner. Click on Accounts. And at the bottom, you should see the option to change over to a business account. Now, if you don't see that option, it means you're already on a business account and there's nothing you need to do further. The third and most frequently asked viewer submitted question we're going to answer today is, as a new agent, what kind of things should I put in my Instagram bio? Well, we actually have a 7-step checklist we're going to use to answer this question, and it's going to go over the top 7 features of your Instagram bio that you need to turn on in order to have successful and engaging presence. So let's go over all 7 of those aspects real quickly. Step number 1, choose a username that clearly represents who you are and your brand. Step number 2, choose a professional profile picture. Unless you are a large team, you want to stay away from logos and choose a photo that accurately represents who you are. A headshot or a really great professional photo works well here. Step number 3, choose a profile name that's similar to your username and include relevant keywords. Some really great keywords to use for real estate include real estate agent, listing agent, buyer's agent, and listing expert agent. Step number 4, create a concise and descriptive bio that, again, accurately describes your brand and your reputation, as well as including local hashtags and fun emojis to break up the repetitiveness of that text. Step number 6, add a link to your bio. For some of our more advanced users, you might want to try out a link in bio tool. For those of you who are just getting started out, a link to your MLS or to your blog website will be a great addition. And step number 7, one of the most important steps in setting up your Instagram profile is switching over to a business account. Business accounts allow you to be seen by more people as well as engage with more people than just your followers. It also offers algorithms and insights that allow you to see just how well your posts are performing with your specific audience. So those are the top 7 features we recommend adding to your Instagram bio, whether you're a new or experienced agent. Another question we get all the time is, what are hashtags and how exactly do I use them? Well, hashtags are used to organize and categorize posts and profiles through Instagram on its very own search page, the Instagram Explorer tab. Hashtags are keywords strung together with the pound sign or the number sign, now referred to as a hashtag. The best use for hashtags is to search for ones that have a high number of hit, but not too high of a number of hit that you get lost in the void. You also always want to use local hashtags in any of your posts. A really great rule of thumb is to keep a notes page on the Notes app in your phone of local hashtags that you can just copy and paste for any of your posts. Now, you can have up to 30 hashtags on a single post, but the sweet spot is usually between 10 and 15. These next three questions can all be answered in the same way. These questions are, I'm struggling with content and could use any help. I'm just getting started and the market is so crazy, I just want to have an edge. And how to reach out to my clients and database via Instagram and Facebook more successfully. Well, those three questions can be answered easily using our 5-step real estate marketing system. The 5-step marketing system is best described as a sequence of events pointed at a direct source of business, our contacts, and our connections. It's because of this direct source of business that we're able to get consistent leads and consistent listings on a weekly basis directly to our inbox. Now, this 5-step marketing system allows us to deliver content on a weekly basis without being repetitive or tone deaf. It gives us an edge by allowing us to be that expert listing agent in our market with evidence to prove so. And it helps us reach out to our databases both on Instagram and Facebook with direct scripts for one-on-one outreach. You can easily implement this strategy on your own, but if you want help and you want those resources done for you, you can get them all today when you join the Marketing Club for 14 days for just $1. In the Marketing Club, we'll give you all of the resources, templates, and scripts you need to implement the 5-step marketing system every single month, plus templates, trainings, and a free website. For more information, check out the link below. Well, that's all the questions we have for this episode of Open House. I hope those were extremely helpful for all of you. And if you have any additional questions, let us know by posting them in the comments or sending us a message. As always, if you're not already, go ahead and follow us at The Paperless Agent, and we'll see you next time.